Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enjoy your tea time with making sugar sweet balls made by roasted rice, sugar and coconut. Yes, it sounds interesting, so let's go to today's video. You need rice, sugar and grinded coconut. First you should wash the rice. Now keep medium heat and start roasting until its color changes to brown. Now we are going to caramelize the sugar. First add the sugar into the pan, keep medium heat and start stirring. After that, add a little bit of water to cover the sugar, avoid crystallize it and make it thicker. Now bring the roasted rice to make it soft. At the last step, add all together which we prepared and now start mixing by your hands as I do. After mixing, use your palm as I do and start making balls. Yes, that's our sweet balls. You have done it well. If you have any questions, please comment down or you can go to my Facebook page and comment, and don't forget to comment your photos what you make, and I'm waiting for you. Enjoy with this and see you this kind of video future soon. Have a tasty week.